While inserting, oh shoot, we forgot.
What?
While inserting the applicator into the nostril, slightly rotate. We didn't rotate it, did we?
I moved it in there a little bit.
Did you? Okay. And push the nose wing
Oop.
to get. We didn't read these instructions before doing this. To get better grab effect.
If it don't work, we're gonna do it again.
Oh, they misspelled effect. I'm so sad for them. Wait for 1 to 2 minutes until the wax set.
It's 7:40.
Do not. Okay, listen, Haley. Do not twist or move the applicator once it has been inserted. Well, now you tell us. Step 6. Pull out nose hair. Holding your nose tightly with one hand and pull down the applicator with another hand in a swift movement as quick as possible, as quickly. This must be translated from another language. Do not be slow, as this will cause tugging of the hair. Please use the wax after well understanding the contents of this manual. If you got any allergy or skin problems, please consult your doctor before use. Okay, so I have to hold it like this, and then you...
Yank.
Yeah, okay.
You holding it tight?
I'll take my glasses off because I'll probably cry. How do I do this? Like this?
I don't know.
I'm a walrus.
They didn't give, like, picture instructions?
If it did, I can't see them. Okay.
Both of them?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Mother of walruses! Shoot, that hurt. Well, let me see. It's boogers, huh? Did I get any hairs? I can't see. Are there hairs? Or
Yeah, there's hair.
Is it a booger too?
That's a big old hair.
Really? How do I look?
We missed a few.
Shoot, should we do it again? Okay, let's do it again. Should we do it again?
Yeah, and this time we'll squeeze the nostrils together.
Okay, you do that. I don't know how to do it. That was a weird feeling.
We gotta get it in there.
Yeah, it wasn't in there, huh? Oh, okay. I wonder what that screw at the bottom is for. Oh, that's what it holds on to. Oh, no. Oh, Haley. This is going to be bad.
Probably.
Okay.
Did it hurt?
It's not that it hurt. It just felt... Yeah, it hurt. It felt weird.
What is that?
Cricket? Oh, no. I didn't brush my teeth. Sorry.
Okay.
Okay, we'll be back.
7:45.
Okay, this is our second attempt.
You're gonna hold your nose.
Oh, shoot, yeah.
1, 2.
Did you get anything? Really?
Yeah, that looks a lot better.
Does it?
Yeah.
Good. Tomorrow I'm ready for my colonoscopy.